been told to love myself.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I thought today, being the 11th of July, I thought today I would show you my rooftop garden, the state that it's in at the moment, because in 2 weeks time I shall be planting for the spring season. So what I want to do is a before and after shot. So I'm going to quickly take you upstairs to the rooftop to see my garden. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Upstairs to the rooftop. Up we go. And it's a very cold day today. It's only about 13, 12 degrees. As you can see, my pots, they've got some moss growing there, but they're all pretty barren. Some of these pots have even growing some mushroom, which I've got to remove. It's all very bleak. These are my capsicums that have been, I need to uproot them. They've been there since last summer. It's a real mess. My carnations have been eaten by mice. I've got lavender, rosemary, a mint bush that's frozen during the winter time. I've got another lavender bush. And this little pot here is just growing some mushrooms. So as you can see, this is the before shot. It's very bleak, it's cold, and there's nothing that's growing at the moment. So in 2 weeks time I shall be starting my seedlings. So I'm going to be taking you step by step with this organic garden on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Well, that's it everybody. I hope you enjoyed looking and seeing my garden before pre-season. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. For all of you that are new, hit the notification button for all alerts to my new videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again shortly. So bye for now.